Hey guys, welcome to our new channel, DIY Girls. In our channel we'll be doing vlogs, tutorials, and we're just gonna be doing like unboxings,
Slime unboxing.
yeah. And so check out my channel, which is Patel's World.
And mine is Samara's World.
And this channel is our like the one we're doing together. And so we're gonna be doing just DIYs and crafty stuff like that. So today we're gonna be doing a slime unboxing, and we ordered this package a while ago by Gigi's World.
Very weird packaging.
Yeah, it's a really weird.
Was that
packaging.
a bunny I just saw?
It's a T-Mobile. And I don't want to show you guys this thing because it's our address. Did this thing see the address? I don't want to show anybody the address or anything.
We can't
Let's do
say
this
address.
stuff. Address. So wait, we need to cover it with something, to be honest.
Who cares?
Okay, I don't want
We're
to.
gonna be opening it anyway.
Okay, so let's open it. Like, let's open the box over here. Okay. So this is inside of the box.
Ooh.
Well, don't pop it! Don't pop it! Don't. That gunshot though. Oh, so this is the receipt. If you can read it.
Packet.
Receipt.
Receipt.
Receipt. No. This says recipient. Recipient.
Wait.
Wait, no. Put it up. More to.
Okay.
What the heck? Why can't I even see? Like, that's actually really weird.
Recipient.
Like, that literally can't
Okay,
see
yes.
anything. Okay, I don't
Well,
know.
it says recipient.
No, it actually looks like we're lying. Whatever. I'm gonna have to clear that out.
Why? Fire. damage.
No. It says my address. Look.
Oh, wait. I'm lost.
Okay.
Okay,
I feel like
so-
we're not safe. Now I'm gonna. What's that? Blur that out.
Okay, so this is from Gigi's World. We ordered it on this month, actually, the 4th.
October the 4th.
And it came today. That's why we're doing.
You thought it was slime?
Whoa, this lighting.
Guys, this lighting is horrible. It's actually like, I thought it was gonna be like,
Ew, my
Ooh.
teeth.
okay, come on, go.
Okay,
This video's
so
gonna be longer than it has
Gigi's
to.
World. And the rain, we ordered 2 slimes and bubble wrap and markers.
This actually concerns me. Why is it like a T-Mobile package? Just go.
Okay, so the rain cloud slime cost us $10.
And we
And the
bought 2
other
of
one
them.
cost us $10, so that's
We bought
20.
2.
Bubble wrap slime.
Bubble wrap.
Bubble
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 wrap
wrap
costs $7.
$27. And markers cost $14. I can get them at Target for like $4.
So this is the
And the
packaging.
total is $41.
Oh wait, and
this-
the glue cost $15.
Where does it say glue?
Right there.
Oh, I'm blind.
Okay,
Ouch. And the extras are earrings. LG charger. We don't have LGs. She has an iPhone, and we're using my iPhone to make this video.
guys, they can't even see. Oh wait, they kind of.
The Apple symbol.
Yeah.
And it says, "Thanks for shopping at Gigi's World." The nice, cute little. It's okay. It has a heart. You can't.
So the first thing that comes out of the box. The first thing that comes out of the box is. Bro, show them this. I can't even.
You know what you can use this for? Our mom is to whip us.
But like honestly, what I actually
You know,
do-
this is a suckish charger because usually chargers you have to like put the like.
But this is actually a pretty good charger.
No, but let me show
Like you
you.
will never lose the home or anything. And like if your sisters need to use your home,
Like for this,
you can,
like you can like do that, but like that, if only we can like save the home, that would have been better.
is that an iPhone charger?
No, this is.
Carries.
This
That's
is
our
one of
cousin's
cousin's
charger.
friends. Ew. This lighting though. You look orange, honestly.
I'm not Donald Trump. Okay. Whoever I fenced, sorry. Well, actually, it's not. I look different. Okay.
I just look white.
You look like a vampire. Okay,
How?
because vampires are really light. So,
But
this is LG.
Elsie can't see.
Wait, hold on, guys. Guys,
You can barely
actually,
see the bottom.
guys, this lighting is really bad.
Okay, yeah, that fix it a little bit. And the second thing in this box,
The address.
we went like that. Are these earrings?
Bro, some of them are missing. No, wait. Wait, I'm gonna pull this down, guys. Sorry, guys.
They still can't see.
Oh, wait. Better.
Okay, you guys cannot see this. Like,
You can't even see the color. Shh.
Okay.
No, let's just move the location of the camera.
yeah, really.
Yes!
Move over.
Actually, the other one was better.
Okay, that's
Yes, that's better.
That's because there's shade. But these,
I almost put my luck up.
this is the earrings. They're actually really cute, but half of them are missing.
Wait,
but let's show
wait,
them. Where's the note?
Oh yeah, let's show them the reciprocate. Reciprocate. So these are the earrings.
No, the lighting is coming back.
So these are the earrings. What's going on? These are the earrings. They are so cute.
Okay. Here, let me just move this for a second.
Here.
You see that?
Reciprocate.
Precipitate.
Okay, guys. So the next thing in the package.
Bubble wrap.
Wait, can you see this? I want to pop it.
Just split in half.
So I guess it's gonna be for fishbowl slime.
You can add it if you want. Like, this is barely poppable.
I know, right?
Okay. You know what I have to do?
Yeah.
What? She got nothing. I got something. But how do we just mix this in with the slime or something?
Like that, guys. Don't buy from Gigi's World.
I'm just gonna pop these all. What the heck?
Oh my! It's not even going anywhere. When I throw it. Oh wait, actually, that's somewhere.
Oh, okay.
The next thing is
It's so satisfying.
scissors.
They don't even pop nothing though.
But these scissors can be for balloon popping slime.
When Carrie calls you and says, "Do you have my charger?" Okay. No.
So this is the
thing. And okay, here's something where it gets more.
Oh wait, the marker thing. How much does the scissors cost?
Scissors? Extras. That was
Oh,
extra.
that was extra.
Wait, was it?
Yeah, it was extra.
Yeah, it was extra.
And the bubble wrap. How much? The bubble wrap costs $7.
No, 14. Wait.
That was a markers.
No, $7. Yeah.
And then how much?
And
The
it's so
earrings.
cheap.
The earrings were extra, and then the charger was an extra. So I guess, are those all the extras?
I guess. No, the scissors were extras.
Okay.
And. So these are the 4 markers. They weigh
For $14, and these are not even cute colors.
I know.
These are not even the colors we ordered. We ordered a
could use
purple
them
and a
to
pink.
like color it maybe.
Bro, I'm upset. Okay, whatever. The next things.
And these are like the regular school markers. What the heck is this?
Guys, there's like
This is half filled
mine
blue.
is 2.
You have more. This one has like the tiniest bit.
Guys, I think there's like a slide on the side of this. Feel this. I think this is made by like the crust.
What's that like?
Guys, so these are the glues,
Yeah.
and the glues costed $15.
No.
Yes, they did.
15. No, 10.
No, they cost 15.
Maybe it was extra.
Oh no, never mind. I looked at the wrong thing.
It was extra.
Yeah.
Do we still need this? Okay, we know how much the
Yeah.
slime cost.
So this is the slime.
Buckets. Plastic bags. Ew.
Ew, guys,
Why is
no.
it so wet?
Look at this. Look at mine.
Mine has water.
Mine melted completely. Guys, oh my, now I'm even scared to open. Why is this completely wet?
Okay. Mine is like, ew.
Mine is like droopy.
Okay, wait. Mine is runny, but it's still good. But it doesn't break apart when I want to show them. Okay, so I got some. Okay, mine is actually good. Mine is actually really good. It's just soapy. Maybe she used detergent.
Yeah, it's blue.
Mine is good. Mine is really good, actually. I'm gonna get more. Oh, that's so cold.
Yeah, mine is actually really okay. Actually, mine is pretty soapy. Mine is good,
Ew.
although the prices of these, this is $14.
Mine was 10. It was $10.
No? Oh, they were $10. I'm thinking about the... Why did the markers cost more than the slime?
I know.
I mean, $10 is a reasonable price for this slime.
I like it.
I don't like the color though, but that's what the markers are for. This is a grayish, like... And now I know why it's called rainy day slime. So guys, these are really... Look, guys, let me bring the camera down.
Should we try
so you guys
adding
can
these?
See.
Let's add a little bit. Should we?
Yeah, we're gonna try to add the bubble wrap.
Wait, let's get a separate piece.
Yeah, sorry, whoever stick to this video, thank you guys. You guys are the bomb.
Okay, I'm
And
sorry.
like when we become big,
the heck?
we'll know that you guys stayed with us from day one.
Okay, yeah, that doesn't work. I already tried. Don't try this at home, kids.
Don't put
Well,
bubble wrap
if
in.
you guys know how to, then yes.
If you cut the bubble wraps like smaller bits, probably it's not good.
If only this was crunchy slime.
Yeah, but this is a pretty good slime,
It
guys.
smells so good.
So I think she put like some
Detergent
smell. No,
or-
smelling. Like smell. What is
Lotion?
this called? No. Like
Yeah,
some scent.
I want to add lotion to this.
I think
Can
she put scent. And
Should I
I
add
don't
lotion?
care.
Wait, no, it's fine. It's fine. I'm gonna try to make a swirl.
Is yours hard? Yeah, yours is good. Look, feel mine.
Yours is nice and loose. I like it.
Mine
We
is like,
already decided which one we got.
yeah, I want this one.
I want this one. I like how it's more.
Mine is pretty small, but
You know, I'm terrified.
why?
It's
Oh yeah, yesterday we watched It together. Wow, that looks like my nose is so big. You see that thing? Okay, guys. So this video is super long. Sorry, guys. So thank you guys for watching. I recommend you guys buy her slime, but just ask for
only
no,
the slime.
Yeah, but ask for no extras or like don't buy any like markers.
Well, the extras are fine, but like,
Oh yeah. No, I mean, don't ask for any markers.
yeah.
Or like, just don't ask for anything expensive like bubble wrap. There was no point of buying that. I guess she just needed money or like wanted money, and like she lied to us and said that. So, yeah. I mean, it's okay. Anyway, secret. And by the way, guys, if you guys are confused, she's my cousin.
Yeah.
We're not
She's my
sisters.
cousin. Obviously.
Yeah. Exactly. She's mixed.
She's black, brown,
I'm
chocolate,
Ethiopian.
chocolate.
So I'm Ethiopian, and we're just gonna do an all about me thing.
Yeah.
So guys,
Put
comment.
on our channels.
Yeah, on
I
our
will
own
link our
channels.
channels on the description below.
And we'll put our social medias down below. Our Musical.ly, our Instagram, and our Snapchat. So
I'm not all about that Twitter, y'all. Like,
yeah, we don't have Twitter.
we have fam, but no, that it
What?
requires a phone number.
Pam, and we're never gonna tell you guys our phone number.
Yeah, obviously.
So
Email address maybe for like if they want to ask a question. No,
Yeah.
we'll just go in there.
we have our own email address, and you guys can actually, and we'll do giveaways.
Or you guys
sooner.
can just send it to this email address.
Yeah.
If you guys can see it.
So
Wait.
thank you. Oh.
I want to show them. Wait. Sorry. I'm trying to fix this pop socket.
So guys, this
Okay,
is,
wait.
no, let me put it down.
Or can you just record me? Okay.
Guys,
So I'm gonna be making the swirl. What the heck?
it's a little
It's
droopy.
so runny.
I know, mine is really runny.
But I like yours.
So I'm gonna try mine. Well, I can show you guys mine. Do you see how runny it is? Like, try to chop mine. Try to chop mine.
The way I did it, I was actually scared.
Took that box. And guys, as you guys can see, we order a lot of stuff. And slime.
What the heck?
So that's why we are DIY girls. Thank you guys for watching our video. And hope you guys subscribe, comment, like, push your notification on, everything, guys. Love you guys.